What's going on, guys? BDG Crypto here. If you like crypto mining, if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button, hit the likes, leave us a comment below. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little, farm maintenance. Going to install this switch we got here to give us more Ethernet ports for more miners and so on. And then as well, we are going to throw this ATX power supply on our 3070 rig because our breakout board down there, the ZSX one, had some troubles with the 24 pin and the CPU. So right now we're having it powered off of this ATX that we were using for this little box miner back here. So we're going to separate all that and get things cleaned up a little bit and so on. So stick with us. Alright, so first things first, we are going to want to jump on Hive OS, shut the miners down, let the cards cool off, and then shut the rigs down so we can swap out this Ethernet port and this power supply. So let's do that. Alright, so we got everything all shut down, so now we are going to pull our router out of there and get it moved and put the switch in there. So let's do that. Alright, so now we're all plugged in inside of the office here, and now we'll go back into the shop and get the switch all set up. Alright, so here's our switch. There we go. 8 ports. Power. So we are going to basically plug our cable from the office right into here, and then we have all those available ports basically for everything else. We'll get some screws to get that guy mounted on the wall. Alright, so we'll get these screwed in here. Throw this right up here, and there we go. All mounted on the wall, and all is good, plugged in. Let's just get power going to this guy. is our power at? Oh, there it is. On top. Or back, whatever you want to call it. Run this over to our plug. And there we go, it's plugged in. Looks like we have power there and good to go, ready for some more rigs. All right, so now that we got our switch up on the wall, we are gonna organize some of this stuff, throw that EVGA 450 into the 3070 rig so it's not piggybacking off of this ATX here, and we will get the mini box miner out of there and up here. So let's do that. All right, so we got the 3070 rig unplugged. We got this ATX unplugged from that as well. Let's unplug it from the box miner here, and then we got another power strip up here, and we'll get this up here, as well as the mini LB box miner. So let's see here. We are gonna want to get power to the LB box. Where is it? This one? Yep. Nope, that's CPU. I lost it. We got Molex, SATA. There we go. PCIe. Push this back a little bit. And we will plug in our PCIe. There's that. Oh, and we can't forget a little jumper for the 24 pin. There we go. Get rid of all that stuff. That's good. We'll plug in power supply, and that guy is good to go. Fire him back up. Now, mini box miner is now running, so we'll see if he connects to Ethernet and our switch worked. Now we are gonna take out the 3070 rig and throw the 450 watt power ATX on that guy to power the motherboard and CPU and fans and such. So let's pull that out. Alright, so we got the 3070 rig out. We moved the power supply from that side over to this side. We are going to slip our ATX right in there, so let's do that now. Alright, there we go. We got back. CPU up. And now we are just going to check our fans. And then we can set it up. Alright, so now we got everything plugged back in, and let's fire it all up. That one's good. There we go. Looks like we are going. There we go, the hive is firing up. And that's gonna do it. Network switch installed, ATX power supply installed on there, cleaned it up, moved our little box miner up here. And that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the likes and leave us a comment. Appreciate it, guys. Cheers.